Now, the pitch of a tuning fork depends on the size of the tuning fork. Tuning forks usually have a letter engraved onto them, for instance, E, G, and C. Now, that's the notes these tuning forks will play. The size of the tuning fork dictates which sound you're going to get. You can see this is a very short tuning fork. That will cause the vibrations in this tuning fork to be quite swift, so it should make a higher frequency and therefore a squeakier sound. This tuning fork is very long comparatively, and so it should vibrate slower and create a lower frequency sound. Let's hear that in action. This is our longest tuning fork. So you could hear it's not a deep sound, but compared to this, the shorter tuning fork, you can hear this is a much more higher frequency. And again, that's just down to the fact that they have different lengths. The longer tuning fork vibrates slower, so it produces sounds of a lower frequency, which are deeper. The smaller tuning fork will vibrate faster, therefore creating sounds with a higher frequency, which have a higher pitch. You'll notice the sound appears when I place the tuning fork against the edge of the desk, because the vibrations within the tuning fork's prongs are passed down into the surface of the table. The table then vibrates and amplifies the sound. There's only a small surface vibrating on the tuning fork itself, but if you pass the vibration into the table, that is a large surface. So now we're going to see what happens when the tuning fork is placed into the water's surface. We're just going to watch what happens. So I'll give it another hit and let's see. You might have noticed there that the water began to jump around. We'll do that again just to be sure. You can see the water spraying everywhere. The energy causing the prongs of the tuning fork to vibrate are being passed into the surface of the water, and that causes the energy to distribute through the water surface and causes the water to spray out. It's causing waves in the water which spray out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Tune in next time for some more exciting science.